Today we want to talk about the new section feature in Figma and learn how to use it. Let me remind you that FigJam had this feature before Figma. Before this, we had to use basic tools such as the rectangle tool, which had problems, such as not being grouped with the frames. To create section, we do the same as creating a frame and go to the Figma toolbar. We see the section has been added, and it can be created with Shift-S shortcut. But I recommend you just select the section and drag it where you want. The section automatically turns the frame inside it, and a group you can move all the frame inside it by moving the section. Also, the name of the section and their size can be changed. The background color of the section can also be changed, and you can change them from the right panel. To disable the section, you should act like the group and click on Group option.